Pump up a yellow 260 balloon about half of the way. Then take another 260 balloon and fold it in half. This can be black or yellow depending on your preference. This will be the bee's antennae. Put your pointer finger into the fold of the balloon and then push it into the other balloon. Grab it through the balloon with your opposite hand and pull your finger out. Then twist. This will keep the antennae in place. Make a 4-finger loop and then twist. Pinch your last twist with one hand and then cut the end off with your other. Then wrap it around the bee's neck and tie it in a knot so it doesn't come undone. Cut off the deflated part of the balloon. At this point, the bee's neck looks a little weird, but that will be covered up with the wings. Next, pump up a clear 260 balloon, almost all the way. Just leave a little tail at the end. Then tie the two ends together in a knot. And cut off any loose ends. Pinch the balloon in the middle and try to make sure both sides are even. Then twist. Line the bee's neck up with a twist in the clear balloon, and then wrap the bee's body around the clear balloon several times. And then straighten out the head, the body, and the wings. If you don't want the antennae to be floppy, then cut them off about halfway, and then pull them in opposite directions a few times. If the wings look creased or misshapen, mold them into a rounder shape. Use a black Sharpie to draw on a face. Then add stripes down the bee's body. This last part is optional. If you want to attach a handle to the bee so it can be flown around, simply blow up another clear 260 balloon. This one should be blown up all the way. Then wrap the nozzle of the balloon around the center of the wings and around the bee's neck. Then you can wrap the nozzle around the handle of the balloon. In order to make this bee balloon, you will need a pump, a Sharpie, scissors, yellow and/or black 260 balloons, and clear 260 balloons. If you'd like to get the pump or the balloons on Amazon, I will leave links in the description below.